Today we're at the Austin Convention Center, the site of Austin Energy's District Cooling Plant 4 for removal before the convention center is demolished. When Austin Energy needed to relocate a modular central plant from the roof of the Austin Convention Center, they turned to Texas Air Systems. Originally installed to support the district cooling loop, the plant was perched on the lower roof of the Austin Convention Center. Once plans solidified to demolish the entire center, the challenge became clear. The plant had to be moved, and fast. As the prime contractor, we led a team of specialists in mechanical, electrical, controls, rigging, transportation, and roofing. Timing was critical. With limited access and no room for delays, every detail required meticulous planning. Working closely with Austin Energy and the original subcontractors, we reversed the plant's installation step by step, mechanically and electrically isolating the system, disassembling modules at shipping splits, and charging pipes with nitrogen, labeling, securing, and preparing every piece for transport. The holiday window provided our opportunity. In one day, we installed a 550-ton crane and removed all 8 plant modules, followed by 4 cooling tower modules the final day. Each piece was carefully loaded, transported, and prepped for its new location. This is the power of modular central plants, flexibility that traditional systems can't match. For Austin Energy, this move wasn't just a relocation. It was proof of smart, future-ready infrastructure. And for Texas Air Systems, it was another opportunity to deliver precision, expertise, and results. It's not every day that we get to work on projects as unique as this one. Whether your project is simple or complex, Texas Air Systems values being part of the solution.